ama-results ethu eminyaka eyedlule from 1998. Ngifuna ukuthi nizwe ukuthi le mphumela ela yayingasiyo le underperformance, yayimihle eyayisetshenzwa isikole saseDikani eminyakeni eyedlule ngoba yayingaphezulu kwe-underperformance threshold. Iyazwakala ngithi bazalwane. Kodwa thina safika njengamanje sishintshile isiwu-70% i-underperformance threshold. Isiwu-70%. Futhi anything that is less than 70% is an underperformance. Bese kuthi ngokwe-district, anything that is less than 75% is an underperformance. Uma uzwa ngekhala isikole sithole 72 noma sithole 73, it's because ngokwe-district si-underperformile. Ngo-1998 isikole sethu sathola 74.5%. 1999 65.34, year 2000 76.47, year 2001 72.13, year 2002 74%, year 2003 67.95. Bese bayo 2004 esikhuluma ngawo lawa ufunda khona ingozi malanga inkalakatha lelo class lelo ke lokuphatha irecord nala idikana namanje uclass of 2004 ela produce uMsizulu leni mbonayo namhlanje wayefunda khona la eshawa kuso lesi sikole eshawa uMsizulu lenimficileyo ewuthisha omkhulu la idikana naye waphuma ezandleni zakhe waphuma kulelo class ke lathole 96.7%. 2005 58%, 2006 68.9, 2007 50.94%, 2008 71.43, 2009 54.84, 2010 75%, 2011 61.36, 2012 76.03, 2013 80.89, 2014 futhi sasithe mina lesi sikole afike mina bese sishona phansi ibhadi lafika nami kodwa ngcono sengichazele ngafika ngoNovember. Ngo-2014 kwasibhedlela sathi 47.36 okokuqala kumlando esikade ngubalile. Further dropped in 2015 sathi 36.27. 2016 sanyuka nokungatheni sathi 40.02. 2017 quite disaster. 28.02. 2018 sathi fuku kancane sathi 38.05. 2019 uMsizulu engene ngomhla ka-26 June kulowo nyaka lowo. Wala umarizali ka-28 June ka 2019 sathola u-79.05. Okokuqala sikhuluma kwe-underperformance. Sasijabule kakhulu, sajabula kakhulu. Sathesta yebo manje ngiyakhumbula. Ngafika isilapho ngisiphethe ngesandla. Ngalowo nyaka lo mbheko ukuthi hawu yini nazo la izinto enkulu. Kwasetshenzwa kakhulu performance. 2021 further dropped futhi. Sathi 56.7%. Kusuka ku-2021 ke asiphindanga sashona phansi. Senyuka njalo 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Yikho ke lokho engibona kusijabulise kangaka. Ukuthi ngo-2021 sathi 56.7%. Sathi ngo-2021, 2022 sathi 63.2%. Sathi ngo-2023 sathi 79.7%. Njengamanje we are sitting at 89.2%. That is what we are celebrating. Yikho lokho kusijabulisa kangaka. ukuthi ibhodwe bese lipheka likhomba sengathi seliyavuthwa